Hi everyone, Nevada nail person, Joanne. It's been a minute. However, today when I got home, I received my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2019. And I've always loved lucky bags. I was fortunate enough to get one. This is the $75 one. They do offer one at $150, and that's what you're paying, but the value is about $300. I think it's about $150 for this one that they average. And I've been very happy the last few years. In fact, I'll link them below if you want to check out what I received in prior years. I always got a Wayne Goss brush, so I'm excited about that. So hopefully I'll get one of those. So let's just get into this. I did slip the box so it's easier to access, but I haven't peeked yet. And this is a Japanese tradition. It's called, I had to look it up, Fukube Mokoro. Now I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Fukube Mokoro, which is basically a mystery bag where the Japanese vendors would create these mystery bags and for deep discounts, and you pay one price and that's what you get. So that's what's happening right now. So here's the card about the New Year tradition, and they also mention that the sumo wrestlers or rikishi on this year's lucky bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. So they're wishing me a good fortune and luck in 2019, and there's some hashtags there. So that's the little card right on top. So I think I'll just take it out and put it here. Now you can get extra lucky bags as well, where there's extra items in there. Sorry if I'm messing the view, but I need some room on this tiny desk. So here's the little wrapped up package, and whatever's in here is what we got. Okay, so first off, we received something from Orbe. And this is the restyling spray. So it's a spray, I guess like a refresher for your hair. And the one thing I could say is all of Orbe's products smell awesome. So there you go. So I'll try that out. Next product is from Hourglass, and this is the Caution Mascara. I'm really excited to try this because I had two of the minis and I really like this mascara. Awesome. A little sick too, so my voice is a little raspy. Here's my Wayne Goss. So this is, this is something I don't have this, which is good. I don't know what brush. Usually it has the number here on the actual wand, but I'm not seeing one. So I'll have to look it up, but it's like a flat paddle type of brush. You can see it's kind of flat right there if I spin it around. It's extremely soft as usual. I'm thinking it's some kind of brush for your under eye. And this is something, it says coming soon. And it's got a product in it. So let's see. This is the Good Molecule Super Peptide Serum. So it's a skincare. And it says apply 1 drop in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizer. Let it absorb for 30 minutes, suitable for daily use. So I'm really down for skincare. So that's interesting. And then there's something all wrapped up here. This is a Natasha Denona. Oh, is this? This is a Natasha Denona Camel palette, which I do own this already, but I like it that much that I think I would keep it. That's what it looks like. The shades are awesome. So it's something I'd probably blow through rather quickly. So I'm not sure if I'll keep it, but this is an excellent palette. And then I received the Jouer. Now, I think Jouer is pretty good too. This is the Best of Metallics Lip Cream Collection. Okay, so there you go. It's a lip cream mini gift set. So I'm hoping these are like lip glosses because I'm just so over liquid lipstick. So there's 6 metallic lipsticks in here. I'm not the biggest fan of metallics, but that's what it looks like when you open it. So let me just see. So here's one, and I think it's called Papaya. So that's probably something I would use. Oh, they always smell good. So let me just try that. Yeah, it's more of a liquid lipstick. I'm not too thrilled with that. I'm hoping they dry down. So I just kind of blended it out. So it's rather light, but we'll see about that. So I'm kind of about that. I do like Jouer products though, but this one, not so much. So to recap, very happy, definitely worth the $75. I'll probably list the pricing below. So the Orbe styling spray, the Serum, the Camel palette, the Hourglass Caution mascara, wing gust brush, and the Jouer. So overall, I think pretty good. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the last few years videos that I actually got the bag, I think 3 or 4 years, and I'll leave the total below, and that's it. And I hope to talk to you soon. You will. I do have a nail video coming up with Sister Chic Lacquer, so you'll see that shortly as well. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.